What's up, dude?
What's up?
So we're camping here with Craig. You guys might recognize him from a couple videos ago, and he just actually got this truck camper not too long ago, right?
February, late February.
February. And what kind is it?
This is a SNS Bitterroot 8SC. It's an 8-foot box, and I only have a 6.5-foot bed, so the tailgate does have to be down for it to work, but it seems to work pretty well.
And you just got airbags too on it, right?
Yeah, it was squatting quite a bit. This is a heavy camper. It's about 2,500 pounds, so I did have to add airbags, and it's handling much better now.
Wow, that's like almost 1,000 pounds heavier than mine. It's quite a bit bigger on the inside than mine is. You got a lot more bed space, and it's a lot taller. Plus, his truck is lifted. So, and he's got even under the basement area where you can. These are big drawers that you can pull out and have all sorts of stuff in there. I like it. I like it. Looks good. Come here. You come over here. Come over here. Come over here. Go.
No.
All right, I gotta make another drink. So we've been sitting here drinking a few beers tonight. Probably not doing as much videotaping as we should, but it's getting pretty late and it keeps raining on us. I'm pretty hungry. I don't know about you.
I'm pretty hungry myself.
What are we even eating for dinner? I forgot now. You brought dinner, right?
Chicken fajitas.
Chicken fajitas?
It's gonna be Atkins stuff.
Keto style, yeah. So we don't have tortillas, but we're still gonna make fajitas. I think at this point I can eat anything. I'm starving. So we're having fajitas. Where's the fajita seasoning?
I don't know.
You don't know?
I'm looking for it. It's not in there. That's a lot of veggies. A lot of onions. But let's throw down on some seasoning first. It's gonna get down on this a little bit. It's all on the wrist.
That's his special seasoning. Won't tell anybody what's in it.
Since we can't find our fajita seasoning.
Yeah, somebody lost some seasoning.
Somebody lost
The fajita
it.
seasoning. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's good, thank you. That smells so good for not being a fajita.
For not having fajita seasoning?
Yeah. That's the secret right there.
Heck yeah. Get you some.
Oh man, we're gonna eat good tonight. Probably should go get some shredded cheese too, huh?
Look at that. One more?
Sure. I'm gonna eat.
Big old scoop.
No, going with that triple cheddar.
Just dump some on.
The only way.
That's good.
Really?
Yeah.
Getting started.
I'm not that cheesy.
Check that out.
I've already tasted it.
Yeah? Now it's burning my hands. I should have went with the plastic bowl. Oh man, it's burning my hands. Man, that chair is soaked. It's been raining all night. Well, not all night, but here in the last hour or so.
Consistently.
It's drizzling pretty good. Fire's still going though. Good morning. I got my little fan on right now. It's already warm in here. When we got here yesterday, it was overcast, so I wasn't even thinking about where the shade was or the path of the sun or anything like that. And somehow I parked right in the sun, so I ended up waking up this morning because it was so hot in here. And then heating up my coffee just got it even hotter in here faster. But there is a 60% chance of rain today. So I hope it starts clouding up here in a little bit and cools down. So I came here last week because I had an interview with Bob Wells. And anybody in Arizona that's in the RV lifestyle knows who Bob Wells is. He's got a YouTube channel and he's been around, from what I understand, like since the 80s, living in a van, and he's kind of the one that started the trend, and at least on YouTube. So you know, he's been doing it so long that now all he kind of does is like interviews and RV tours of people that are living that kind of nomadic lifestyle. So ended up meeting him up here in Flagstaff and doing an interview, which turned out really good, I think. Unfortunately, the interview is not going to be posted until the end of the year, and I'll let you guys know on here whenever it does post. But either way, it was still a fun experience. I have been working on the project, and the project is so close. I'm pretty sure I will be done with it in the next, I don't know, 4 or 5 days from this point in time. But I'm waiting on some parts to be delivered, which I think is another week out, which will put it just past the time in which I will be able to post a video. So unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show the project in this video or the next video unless the parts is coming early. But after that, then I'll have the project on here. I am so excited. It's turned out so good, and Craig is actually helping me with the project. That's why he's been around so much, and it's been such a huge help having him there. And I don't know, but I'm excited. I think he's excited just to get it, you know, the project out here for you guys to see. And I don't know, I'm I'm just a lot of things going on. Do some leftovers for breakfast. Make a little egg scramble with chicken fajita stuff we cooked last night. A little bacon on there. I sure am thirsty. What are we what are we having for breakfast, for drinks this morning for breakfast?
Beer mosas.
Yeah, he did these like beer mosa drinks last week, and I don't know, they just look like, they sound like they're gonna be disgusting, but they actually taste really good. It kind of tastes like creamsicle.
Yeah, they're
So
good.
how are we gonna make these?
Well, nothing too specific, just kind of an eyeball science about, I don't know, half a glass of beer. Shoot, of course it's gonna foam.
And then just some orange juice.
Yeah. Oh.
And then just add some orange juice, huh? Half and half. No science to it.
No, no, just go for it. Cheers.
All right. Cheers.
How is it?
That's legit. Like, it's such a good flavor. Just like an orange creamsicle. It doesn't make any sense why it would taste as good, but it tastes good. Sprinkle some cheese on it. Might as well use the whole bag up. All right, now the cheese is melting on there. It looks good now. Ready to serve up.
Smells good.
That's good.
That's good.
Oh, shut it on.
It's over here. Just got
Got a breath, buddy? It's hot, huh?
That's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. Well, it's been raining here. I just love it when it rains in the forest. It's just so peaceful. It's monsoon. Well, it's getting into monsoon season here in Arizona, and like our rain showers are a little different than a lot of other places. So they just kind of form out of nothing, and then they'll come on real strong and just dump a ton of rain and lightning and wind, and then it's gone in like an hour. There's just rarely a day where it's just rainy all day long. That's one thing I kind of miss about being back in the Midwest. I don't mind rainy days. I kind of like them. And out here in Arizona, there's just not that many of them. So it just keeps raining. We were doing some maintenance, or we were planning on doing some maintenance on the RVs, do a little like sealing, caulking, things like that, just since it's getting into the rainy season, but it just keeps raining and the radar looks like it's gonna just get worse. So we decided to pack up camp. We're heading into town now. There's this restaurant that I've been wanting to check out. Neither one of us have been to, and dogs are allowed, so we're gonna go check that out. All right, so I got my mac and cheese, brisket, coleslaw, cornbread, fried pickles. You got 2 different kinds of boneless wings.
Yeah, I asked for the smoked wings, but I got boneless ones instead.
Yeah.
They're all right.